Welcome back to the Knit Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to do the seed stitch. Now before we begin, the seed stitch is just a combination of terms. So it's very much like the knit stitch. Every row is called the garter stitch. Now knit stitch and one row and then purl in the next is called stockinette stitch. So this is called the seed stitch. So how it is, it's the same row that is going back and forth, but it's just a matter of doing opposite to what is in the row below. So you need an odd number here on the knitting needles in order to get this to work if you want to follow the instructions without being too complicated. So in order to do this, it's just all it is that the first one is going to be knit. Okay, so you're just going to cast on an odd number and then you're just going to knit the first one and then purl the next. That's all you have to do, all the way down. So knit the next, and you get faster and faster at transferring those knitting needles or that yarn around in order to do this kind of stitch. Okay, so all you're just gonna do is continue to knit one, purl one, and continue to do that all the way down the row, just like you see. Okay, so you're just doing that, and I'll see you at the end of this row. We'll turn around and I'll show you what to do next. So as I get close to the ending, because it's an odd number, it works out perfectly. So the last stitch here will be a knit stitch, just like you see here. So let's turn our knitting needles around and let's begin again. And I'm going to start and I'm going to be able to get this row. So it's just a matter of resetting the needles. So because it's an odd number, every row is exactly the same. So the first stitch will be a knit stitch again, and then the next one will be a purl. So because this is an odd number, this completely is opposite to what is in the row below, causing the seed stitch to happen. Okay, so it's not like you're gonna have ribs because the things are lining up. This is shifting everything so that it's completely opposite to what's already there. So let me just slow down here. So you can see here is that the stitches are gonna be appearing opposite to each other, giving the seed a look, just like you see here. Okay, so just a matter of just being able to go back and forth, knit one, purl one, and etc. And if you have an odd number, then it's just very easy to remember. So if you have an even number, you can probably still do it, but then there would be two instructions for rows. Row 1 and 2 will be very different from each other. So if you just have an odd number, you don't have to worry about it, and just matter of fact just going back and forth on the same instruction, just like you see. So you do get quicker and quicker at doing this. I know for myself, I'm learning how to knit right now. Daniel was commenting earlier today that I'm actually getting faster and faster with my knitting, and that's actually a good thing. But I have to say, knitting is taking time to learn. It does take time. Speed comes with practice in order to get that to go. Okay, so I'm working my way all the way down the row, just like you see. I'm gonna finish off this row and then call today's video quits for today. Also, it's a lot easier with the double-ended knitting needles if you're ever, or sorry, with the circular knitting needles as well. You don't have to worry about so many sticks hanging out of your hands on the other side other than a cord. Okay, so this is creating a look on the other side, or on both sides of it being opposite to each other. So it's really a pattern that can be double-sided, not just one-sided. And that's it. So you see the look difference versus the original that we had started with. It looks like there's dabbling seeds, just like so. So this is called the seed stitch, another free pattern available by yarnspirations.com. There are free patterns. I will post that in the article. There's a pillow called Stepping Stripes pillow where this is involved in, and it looks really quite sharp in the colors that they've chosen for that. So until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarnspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.